radio ads, social media marketing, billboards, geofencing, direct mail, open houses, websites, and more. There is no shortage of the ways that you can market your business. It seems like everywhere you look, people are trying to sell you something. How do you set your dealership apart stand out from the rest of the marketing noise and actually make your marketing dollars work? I'm Sara Hay with Bob Clements International. Join me at the GIE+Expo as we unpack the topic of how to market your dealership in a way that actually produces sales. We'll walk through how to determine how much marketing you should spend, where to spend the money to get results, and actually setting a budget that works. I can't wait to see you there.